Hey guys, I have this 2006 Chrysler 300 here. It's a 2.7 liter, and the engine was bad on it. So I took the engine off that gray one over there and replaced it. I swapped it, and the engine on that one worked because that car ran before we pulled the engine out. I plugged everything in back how it's supposed to. I topped out the oil where it's supposed to be. I filled it up with coolant. I pretty much did everything. I hooked up the alternator, starter, everything in the back is hooked up right. I had no leftover hoses or anything, so I know that I did everything right. This one here is from the windshield wiper, so it doesn't really matter. But whenever I try to go start the car, the battery is good too. The battery is new, so like I put the key in and I turn it, but it doesn't do anything. And you can hear the fuel pump in the back. The mic might not be able to pick it up, but I know the fuel pump's working. But I crank it, doesn't do anything. And then I come out here, and the fuse box ticks like that. I don't know what that could be. If you guys have any idea of what it could be and have anything to try to solve it, just let me know, or how you fix it if you ever had this problem. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure it out.